If you're seeing a Framer error 502 in your component or while loading your site, don't worry, this usually means the page or server response is temporarily failing, and in many cases it can be fixed in just a few simple steps. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to troubleshoot and fix a Framer error 502, step by step, so you can get back to editing and publishing without wasting time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should always do is refresh and retry. A lot of the time, a 502 error is only temporary, so start by reloading the page and seeing if the issue clears up on its own. If it still shows the error, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes Framer or the connected service just needs a short moment to recover, and a retry is all it takes. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause the page to fail loading properly, so switch to a different network if you can. For example, try moving from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, or vice versa, and see if the error disappears. You should also disable any VPN or proxy you may be using, because those can sometimes interfere with Framer's connection and trigger loading issues. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Cached files can sometimes store old or broken data, which may cause the 502 error to keep coming back. On most browsers, you can do a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl+Shift+R. This forces the browser to reload the page without relying on cached content, and it often solves the problem right away. After that, try opening your site in a different browser. If the issue is only happening in one browser, then the problem may be related to that browser's settings, extensions, or stored data. Testing in another browser helps you quickly narrow down whether the error is coming from Framer itself or from your local browser environment. Now, if the error still continues, the final step is to republish your site. Go back into Framer and click Publish again. Sometimes the deployment process doesn't complete properly the first time, and publishing again can refresh the build and restore the connection. This is especially useful if the error started appearing after a recent change or update. So to recap, the fastest way to fix a Framer error 502 is to refresh and retry, check your internet, disable VPN or proxy, clear your browser cache with a hard refresh, try a different browser, and then republish your site if needed. Following these steps in order will solve most 502 issues without much hassle. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more Framer tutorials, web design tips, and quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.